Hey trader, and welcome to another video here on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a live withdrawal with FTMO, showcasing you what it's like to, one, be a profitable trader, but two, do a live withdrawal. I'm going to be running you through the steps so that if you have your own payouts or if you're running into your first payout, you will understand exactly how to do these withdrawals yourself. So as you can see, we're here currently in the FTMO dashboard, and here on the left, we have the FTMO traders section. So I'm just going to refresh the page here for you so you can see it's actually a live page. So you have contracts. This is where you sign the contracts. Obviously, in the reward section, that's where you can do your withdrawals, and then you also have the opportunity to get a performance coach. But as you can see over here, we have a reward awaiting for us, which needs action. So this has a total profit of 1.4 thousand US dollars. Not my biggest month, as you can see, but the main reason for this was because this was a swing position and the payout date came in between. Otherwise, the actual trade itself would have run into 4.5k profit. But yeah, it is what it is. Luckily, on one of the other accounts, I was able to get it. So as you can see here, congratulations on making a profit. Well done. The total profit of this account was 1.4k, and then after the profit split, it's going to be 1.149 US dollars. So we're going to be withdrawing the maximum amount here, and then you also have the opportunity for rollover. So based on the analysis of FTMO account performance in 2022, FTMO accounts that carry over 20% or more of the profit split as rollover rewards have a 34% higher likelihood of receiving next profit split compared to those who do not. So here you can decide to bring on some of the US dollar profit that you made onto your next FTMO account. This is not something that I'm personally interested in. Here you can also select to buy a new FTMO challenge with the profits that you made directly. So obviously FTMO is just giving you here a few options straight away, instead of to do the payout, but just to spend it or keep the money inside the platform or inside of their ecosystem. They also have something called points, and you can convert the rest of your withdrawal into points that can be used as a discount to purchase a new FTMO challenge. So again, they're trying to keep you inside of their ecosystem. Don't fall for these kind of like little tricks where they don't actually want you to get the payout itself, just do the withdrawal itself, obviously, and be happy with that reward. Now, personally, I'm going to be doing a withdrawal here in crypto. So I'm going to be doing USDC on the ERC20 network. So myself, what I do is I use MetaMask, and what I'm simply going to do here is I'm just going to copy my account wallet. So I have my wallet address. I'm going to copy and paste my wallet address here into the tab. So now I have inserted my account address here. I'm going to receive 1,149 US dollars here on the ERC20 network. So the Ethereum network. If you need any help with setting up a wallet, make sure to send me a message on Discord, link in the description down below. I just advise personally to use MetaMask or Trust Wallet, as those are the two easiest wallets to use. For the rest, what can we see? Withdrawals are going to be confirmed until 12 p.m. noon Central Eastern Time. Those are going to be processed the same day. Okay, good to know. For the rest, cryptocurrency withdrawal methods often involve fees that can be substantially higher. Obviously, with USDT or USDC, there are not that high of fees. And for the rest, I hereby declare and understand that I exchange rate fluctuation risk. Yes, I understand that any associated transaction fees will be deducted from my reward. Yes, and I hereby also declare that the wallet address is correct. So here they let you check it one more time. Yes, it is correct. After that, any special requirements? No. Scaling plan eligibility, not eligible yet. Then I click on proceed, and then I just go all the way back down, and then I have to enter a 2FA code. So I go into the Authenticator app. This is just an app that you can get in the App Store or the Google Play Store for those of you who use Samsung. I enter my 2FA code, as you can see, and I confirm everything is correct. And as you can see now, it says payout completed. So your payout request has successfully been submitted. Processing time for withdrawal varies. You will receive an email confirmation within 3 working days that your payout has been processed. As simple as that. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.